Well, the vaccines are still undergoing trials and research in different areas.
And now we're learning while the vaccine might protect you from the virus, it might not stop you from spreading it to others. Carissa Planalp is live to explain why a vaccine doesn't necessarily mean an end to all these public safety protocols. Carissa.
Today, physicians at the Mayo Clinic were able to shed light on what we know now about the Pfizer vaccine. It's one of those vaccines up for emergency use approval, and we could see it distributed here at sites all across the valley. But what we don't know is if that vaccine can prevent the spread of the virus. Ahead of its FDA review, Pfizer released findings from its clinical trial involving nearly 44,000 participants ages 16 and older. The two-shot vaccine is said to be 95% effective in preventing COVID-19. Just after the first dose, Pfizer reports the vaccine was more than 52% effective and 89% effective at preventing severe illness. But there are some unknowns, like how long does the protection last? And does it prevent the spread of the virus that causes COVID-19?
What we don't know from these studies is what their impact is on the rate of asymptomatic but still contagious COVID. So we can't rip off our mask just because we've had our vaccines.
Dr. Melanie Swift, an occupational medicine physician at Mayo Clinic, says the vaccine will not necessarily mean we can stop following public health measures. That's because it might keep you from getting sick or getting very sick, but it might not prevent you from spreading the virus.
Whether you pick up the virus and don't have any symptoms and give it to somebody else, that part we don't know. But we know that you won't get sick from it, and you certainly don't seem to be, you won't get severe COVID, which is obviously the biggest concern.
Dr. Abhinash Virk, an infectious disease physician at the Mayo Clinic, says the Pfizer vaccine appears to be effective and safe, with potential side effects being mild.
Fatigue, headache, and body aches, those are the three most common.
Well, Mayo physicians say a COVID-19 vaccine could be something that we have to get regularly, like the flu shot. They also say that COVID-19 survivors may be able to get this vaccine as well, maybe several months after they recover, because we don't know how long their immunity lasts. Reporting live in Phoenix, Carissa Planalp for Arizona's Family.